What if foldable phones didn't feel bulky or fragile anymore? What if they felt just like regular phones, only smarter? That's the big idea behind Samsung's latest Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, and the company says these are its thinnest, strongest, and most polished foldables yet. Instead of flashy changes, Samsung focused on smart upgrades that actually matter in everyday life. Starting with the Galaxy Z Flip 7, it's now only 6.5 millimeters when open and 13.7 millimeters when closed. They made this possible by shrinking the circuit board and still managed to increase the battery capacity by 300 mAh without making it thicker. On the other side, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is even more impressive in size reduction. When it's folded, it's 8.9 millimeters thick and just 4.2 millimeters when opened, making it much slimmer than older versions. The Fold 7 also switches to a 21:9 aspect ratio on its main screen, making it feel more like a normal smartphone when used. One of the biggest changes is in the hinge design. The Fold 7 gets Samsung's third-generation Armor Flex hinge, which is 27% thinner and 43% lighter than before. It's made with a new alloy and redesigned parts that help boost durability by 14%. The Flip 7 also gets its thinnest flex hinge ever, trimmed by 29% from last year, and it still supports flex mode, so you can set it up at any angle. The display also got some major updates. The Fold 7 screen is 39% thinner now, thanks to a new structure that uses a titanium base instead of carbon fiber. On top of that, the ultra-thin glass layer is now 50% thicker than it was on the Fold 6, which should help with long-term durability. As for the Flip 7, it keeps its classic clamshell style, but now it has an edge-to-edge infinity cover display. That means no more black borders, and the camera is moved to the corner for a cleaner look. The bezels are 68% smaller too, now measuring just 1.5 millimeters. On the camera side, Samsung gave the Fold 7 a big boost by putting in the first 200 megapixels sensor ever in a foldable phone. The camera module was redesigned with a smaller actuator and tested through thousands of simulations to keep the quality high while saving space. The Flip 7's camera setup also got rebuilt from the ground up, focusing on faster autofocus while keeping the housing slim. Both devices are built to last, with the Fold 7 using Gorilla Glass Ceramic 21 on the cover screen and a new frame made from advanced armor aluminum, which is 10% stronger than the one used before. Samsung's goal is simple. They want foldables to feel just as reliable and smooth as their traditional flagship phones. With all these upgrades, they might be getting pretty close. These aren't wild redesigns but smart changes that make foldables easier to carry, more durable, and better suited for everyday life. And that's what makes the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 exciting. They aren't trying to be futuristic toys anymore. They're becoming real, usable phones for anyone who wants style and flexibility without compromise. If you enjoyed this video and want more simple and clear updates about the latest phones, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.